Hello, hello. So this is the lesson for Wednesday, February 8th and Tuesday, February 14th. This is the love lesson. I always try to time this lesson around Valentine's Day, of course, because we don't celebrate it at MCS, but friends are talking about it. So I try to do this lesson around that time just as kind of another little side way for us to celebrate Valentine's Day, but we just talk about love. It's a time of year where people are thinking and talking about love a little more. So I taught them the 3 different ways to sign love, or I love you. And the first one is this, I love you. And I taught them the little trick, how if you're saying I love you to somebody and they're saying I love you back, if you put your 2 hands together, it makes the shape of a little heart in the center there. Yeah. So I love you is one of the ways to sign that, and another way is I love you. I love you. And then the other way, in deaf culture, it's called kiss fist, and that's usually used when you're talking about a thing, not really a person. So for example, this rock, I love this rock, or I love cheese. And within deaf culture, the deaf community actually, they'll say, well, I kiss fist that. So friends really kind of got a little kick out of that, kiss fist. So the 3 ways to sign I love you, or I love you, I love you, or pizza. So we learned that, and then I read Love is All Around Montana. It's just a great book. It's got great illustrations of Bozeman, Billings, Missoula, and it just talks about love all around Montana. And then after that, I had them do an activity. We took a little moment to just try to think of one thing that you love. And I made this little template. And it says, I love, and teachers put their words in, whatever it was that they decided to draw in the heart with the little I love you sign down there. So we took a moment to, everybody drew what their thing was they were thinking about that they loved. And then I collected them all, and I used them for the next lesson. So to be continued.